Hi, this is Dr. Güvenç from Istanbul. I'm a professor of otorhinolaryngology and most of my practice is on rhinoplasty. Nowadays, a lot of rhinoplasty patients ask me the same question. How can we use masks after surgery? Because as you all know, for fighting against this COVID-19 pandemic, we all have to wear masks. So, this kind of mask has these loops, and when we put on a mask, this might be too tight and it exerts too much pressure on the nose. So instead of this type of mask, I will recommend our surgical masks. So this mask has these strips and also a metal here. So we adjust the metal part with our fingers according to our nose, and then we tie up the strips, and we just have to tie up not too tight in order to avoid any pressure over the nose. And it's done. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and take care of you.